Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can find the saved post collections in Instagram. So if you have save a post or more than one post on Instagram, for example, I want to save this post right here, so I'm going to just click on the save button. It will be added to my save collections, and in here to find the save collection, you can just go to your profile, then click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, then in here go straight to the saved option. Okay, so when you click that, this will be found all posts that you saved on Instagram. So you can just click on this all posts thumbnail here, and there you go, you'll find the post like a photo reels that has been saved to your Instagram. Okay, so this is the one I said before. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.